Hi, I'm Brooke Rogerson. I'm an artist here at Caring Arts, and today we're going to make marbled glassware using nail polish. Obviously, we're living in unprecedented times, and our goal here at Caring Arts is to provide free artistic activities that are not only simple but accessible. So if you would like to learn how to make these, keep on watching. So here's the materials you'll need. First, any kind of ceramic or glassware with a smooth surface. I have some examples here. I did a mug that turned out really well, a wine glass, and the inside looks really neat too. And my boyfriend did a mason jar. So anything with a smooth surface, you'll be okay. Anything with bumps, it won't adhere well. Cotton pads for mistakes, nail polish remover, toothpicks, any kind of sharp skewer will work for this, even a pencil. Nail polish, obviously. Don't use any chunky or heavy glitters, then it won't adhere as well. Any kind of fine shimmer or glitter will work, but nothing chunky. And then a Tupperware bowl that you don't really care about, you don't really mind getting messy, filled with warm water. Not cold or hot, just warm water. All right, so let's get started. First things first, shake up your nail polish. I think I'm gonna go with a light pink, a red, and a purple today. Scrape off the excess from your brush, set it down, and then don't pour it too high. You wanna pour it right above the water and kind of swirl it around. Next color. Scraping off the excess, just above the water, pouring it in and swirling it around. All right, now for the purple. Pouring it in, swirling it around. You can use as many colors as you'd like, and you can even double dip if you would like. I'm going to take my toothpick and swirl the colors around. Pretty satisfied with my design. I think it's going to turn out great. All right, time to dip it in. You want to do this very slowly. Turn your glass around and coat the edges. Swirl it around. There we go. All right, so I'm pretty happy with my design. I love the way it turned out. But if you're not so happy with yours, you can easily take some nail polish remover and completely redo your design. Now, after you've waited 24 hours and it's completely dry, you can put a clear coat on it. Mod Podge works really well. A simple clear coat of nail polish works really well too, a spray adhesive. And also, I want to remind you guys, this is not dishwasher safe or microwave safe. These are individual pieces of art and you should treat it like such. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have pictures of them, please share it with us. And that's it. Thank you so much.